I want to show you how we help our client grow their retirement account even in a down market. So let's take a look. So last year, this client rolled over $400,000 from a retirement account. And this year, the client's taking out $41,200. Here's the client's account today based on their protected value, $431,000. Now, if this client had not repositioned that money, just kept it in the market's down over 8% from last year. So that $400,000 will be sitting at $366,000 today. Now, the client's account is currently $431,000. That means that's a $64,000 difference. Meaning a client has $64,000 more money than they would have had they not repositioned the assets with us. They would have been sitting here, but their account's here. But even more than that, remember they took a $41,200 distribution from their retirement account. That means in reality, a retirement account would have been at $472,000. That's a $106,000 difference from where they would have been at compared to what their account grew to. So that's the power of being able to protect and grow your retirement account no matter what market conditions there are.